Let us continue Bhagavad Gita chanting. नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात् स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात् श्लोक now. नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात् नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Pranams to everyone on the dais and off the dais. Let us see the word split first. Na iha abhikramanashah asti pratyavayah na vidyate swalpam api asya dharmasya trayate mahatah bhayat. In the previous shlokas, first of all, this is Sankhya Yoga that we are seeing. So it is actually Buddhi Yoga. However, in the previous shlokas, we saw Sukha Dukkhe Same Kritva Labha Labhu Jaya Jayau. So any action that has to be done from the Yoga Buddhi. Asanga Asakta Buddhi. What is this Yoga Buddhi? Sukha Dukkhe Same Kritva. Being equanimous in sukha and dukkha, in labha and labha alabha, jaya parajaya, in all these victory, defeat, sukha, dukkha, we have to be equanimous. This maintaining of equanimous buddhi is the yoga buddhi. Therefore, we have actually entered into karma yoga in this shloka. Here, na iha abhikramanashah asti. Iha means here. What is this here? Here means in the karma yoga, when we are practicing karma yoga, what happens? Abhikramanashah na asti. Abhikramaha. See, kramanam means movement. We are beginning to do some action. Abhikramaha is we are beginning into a new action. That is abhikramaha. Abhikrama nashaha is, nasha is loss or loss of efforts. When we are beginning to do an action, that is we are putting efforts. Loss of efforts is abhikrama nashaha. Whenever we are doing any action, it is obvious, it is possible that our efforts are in vain. It is possible. One more possibility is pratyavayaha. See, this word pratyavaya refers to adverse result, adverse outcome. How we did not think that this should have been the outcome, that does not come about. That is pratyavayaha. Krishna points out that in this karma yoga that we are practicing, these two defects are not found. Iha, in this yoga, with yoga buddhi when we are doing karma, abhikrama nashaha na asti pratyavayah na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya. When we are practicing this dharma, this yoga buddhi, yoga nishtha karma, when we are practicing, trayate mahatah bhayat, it protects us from mighty fear, from the fear of loss of efforts, from the fear of adverse results. How is it? One small example let us take. The example is of a krishika. See, we have krishika are farmers who are plowing the field, they are watering the plants and minerals, fertilizers, everything. And then we are expecting the crops to grow. Now it may so happen that due to some floods or drought or some other environmental reasons, the crop may not produce the results. So which means it is like loss of efforts. That is abhikrama nasha. Pratyavayah, the example given is, let us say we are administering a medicine and that medicine does not produce a expected outcome. It does not produce an expected result. That is pratyavayah. So abhikrama nasha, pratyavayah. These are possible in any other kinds of yogas. But the karma yoga is a special kind of yoga. Why is it so? Because whenever we are doing karma, immediately we have its result. Even if we do it for a moment, for a very small amount, swalpamapi asya dharmasya, even if it is practiced for a very small amount, trayate mahato bhayat. Trayate means rakshati. It protects us from mighty fear. Why is it so? We can think over it. See, whenever, let us say we have an outcome, when we are practicing that samatva buddhi, it has immediate effect. It is not that it has an effect after doing some karma, after some 10 years. No. It is immediate effect on our buddhi. Therefore, when we are practicing any karma with the yoga buddhi, it will have immediate effects and it does not suffer from these two problems, pratyavaya and abhikrama nasha. Therefore, we have to practice yoga buddhi in all our karmas. That is the intended result here, intended purport of this shloka. Thank you very much.